Dear God, can you lend me an ear? There are a few things that I need you to hear. Thanks for the suffering all of us feel, and opinions on you that make nations kill.
There we go.
Thanks for the hate carried out in your name, but when it's called out they say the devil's to blame. Thanks for abuses hidden behind walls, so when a kid screams no one hears him call. I can only hope you're real, and I'd be put back in my place. So when we come eye to eye, I can't say I'll speak to your face. Thanks for patience so paper thin, and anger that no mortal can keep within. Thanks for addiction and pain unto all, as our decaying families inevitably fall. Thanks for the children in the hospital, with Jesus the murderer hanging on the wall. Glory to thee who bless them with illness. Suffering runs no relief is called stillness. I can only wish you're real, and I'd be put back in my place. So when we come eye to eye, I can't say I'll fuck you to your face. Thanks for the darkness that is lit by hope. Faith for the blind, the only way to cope. Thanks for the blessings of mental disease. We didn't even have to say the word please. For money and greed during famine or feast. For being molested by your weaponized priest. Thanks for the fate of a nuclear war. Jesus, my God, what are you waiting for? nights and dreary days. Spend my lifetime in this haze. Enroll me, control me, deface me, debase me. Will you have me? Grab me? Would you touch me? Will you fuck me? Hey. Yeah, you. I've seen you around here and there, like when I walk to the gym and go to work and stuff. And I was wondering, you know, if you want to come over sometime. Simple Simon strikes again. Don't know where and don't know when. Always out and on the prowl. Never throwing in the towel. Just your normal average guy. Every day I pass you by. Say goodbye to hopes and dreams. Falling apart at the seams.
I got a problem, Matt.